Ulit. You're not ready eh. Let me do it.
What's up
guys? Benji here sa'yo ulit. Badass Vlogs. So, di ba nasira yung GoPro natin? Tapos nag-reach out ako dun sa store where I bought it from. And they recommended me to write a letter sa GoPro Contact Us website. So I did. And I'm just trying to document this video or vlog para you know what to do if in the event that happens to you. If you're like me, which nag-hobby ako ng GoPro or nag-video ako ng day-to-day vlogs. So here's how you're gonna go about it. Okay. Hindi, mali. Contact us. Ito, sales and support. So you gotta reach out to the Contact Us team. And then you're gonna get redirected here. Okay. So nandito na ako. Nandito na rin yung unit ng GoPro ko. So, pakita ko lang. So, ayan. Tatanungin sa inyo kung anong klaseng GoPro ba yan. So, mine was the GoPro 8 Black. And then, I'm gonna type in the serial number. So, ito yung GoPro ko. Let me show you. Ito yung GoPro ko na hindi na gumagana. And then, where do you find the... You can't see it, but it's there. Andyan yung code niya or yung serial number. Now going back, you're gonna put that serial number here and you can click this, how do I find my serial number? So it can guide you. And then the reason for contact. So, hinabaan ko yung akin. So I'll go ahead and do a monologue or babasahin ko sa inyo yung sinulat kong letter. Anyway, nandiyan na yung akin. So, yan, naka-ready na. May email ko na, may number ko na, tapos may pangalan ko na. So, let me read to you the letter that I'm gonna send. Alright guys, by the way, I'm shooting this from my GoPro tuloy. I'm shooting this from my iPhone XS Max. So, this is my alternative vlogging setup. Every time I want to document my day-to-day activities, I use my iPhone. Alright. Now, just so you know where to find the GoPro serial number when you're gonna type it in there, it's in the battery case. Particularly for this one, the GoPro 8 Black. But there's instructions on how to find your serial number on the website. So you can just follow those. Now, here's the reason for contact that I came up with. And my viewers naman nakakaintindi naman kayo ng English. So, hindi ko na kailangan i-translate. So, ayun. Hi GoPro team. High hopes tayo that this gets resolved. But for now, it's sad kasi I don't have any GoPro to use. I kept the memory card. But itong GoPro, naka-ano lang siya. But yeah. So, let's keep our fingers crossed mga kabadas na either replacement or they get it fixed para marami pa tayo ma-shoot. So, thank you for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye now. What's up guys? Badass Vlog. Na-miss niyo ba ako? It's your boy Benji here sa'yo and we're here to do another vlog with my daughter. So what are we gonna do today?
We're gonna open this package and let's see what's inside.
Alright, so shoutout sa GoPro all the way from Singapore. So kung napanood niyo yung mga sinabi ko kanina, sabi ko nag-write down ako sa contact us ng GoPro. And sinabi ko, ano defective yung unit ko kasi ginamit ko sa Boracay trip. Basta pinasok ang tubig instead of being waterproof. So I wrote a letter and luckily they provided me with a return label at na-isoli ko na through UPS and now this came in. So, that being said, let's start unboxing the new GoPro! Alright, para may pang badass vlog na tayo. So yung video ko kanina kung napanood nyo, that was a few weeks back. Nahanap ko kung paano yung gagawin kasi napanood ko sa YouTube yung service nila. Kung alam mo, Pinoy mga yun. Pero ang galing nila. Here we go. Let's see what's inside. May papel lang. It's fragile though. So you can keep that. You can draw there. What do we have over here? Okay. So Hero 8 Black. Alam ko, GoPro 9 yung papadala eh. Anyway. Hero 8 Black warranty replacement. So, taray ng box. Oh.
It was instruction.
No, maybe it's here. Taray ng box. Walang galawan. Here we go. Oh, beautiful! You wanna see it? Oh, look Oh, it's so beautiful. Ang ganda ng box ah. Maganda pa dun sa box na binili ko nung bago.
Let me see. Ooh, wow.
It's brand new. So there's no instructions there. Okay, it's alright because it's just a replacement. Oh, wow. So, diba? So, bagong-bago siya ulit. GoPro Hero 8 Black.
They look
Naka-plastic pa. Let's check. May battery kaya? Wala rin.
Wala, gani.
Wala. Kaya wala pinasoli nila sa akin, yung unit lang itself. Anyway, I have batteries available in my memory card. So, ang ganda nito. Wala mo pwede itong lagyan going forward. Oh, be careful. So, let me go ahead and get a battery and the memory card, and then let's see if it's gonna work properly. Alright. Be with you shortly. Alright, guys. So, nilagyan na natin ng lumang memory card, yung gamit ko pa rin. At saka nilagyan ko na ng battery. So here it is. So it's good as new. Ayan o. So GoPro 8, nakalagay English. So pili muna tayo. Touchscreen naman to eh. So, okay. Legal stuff. By using this GoPro, I agree to the terms of use available at GoPro. Agree. Captures the location where your videos and photos are taken. Ayun. Install GoPro app on your phone to finish the setup. Oh, you're using my phone eh. So, later na ulit guys. Papaganahan muna natin to ha. Anyway, shoutout ulit sa GoPro. Thank you for doing a wonderful job in providing a replacement. So, sure yun. Guaranteed kayo ng warranty if you avail from Tech Pro Unlimited. Shoutout kay Brad Philip na binilang ko nito last year. So, thank you sa service after sales care. Shoutout sa'yo. See you later guys. Update ko kayo. Sana ma-upload natin yung mga water activities ng sa Bora.